Have you ever wondered why, despite following a keto diet, you're not losing weight or worse, gaining it? Today, I'll reveal 5 hidden reasons why this might be happening and how to turn it around. Stick around to learn how you can tweak your keto approach for effective fat loss, especially designed for working moms like you. As a nutritionist and someone who has personally navigated weight loss, I've seen firsthand how a one-size-fits-all keto approach can fail. After working with hundreds of women over the years, I've noticed 5 main reasons for weight gain on keto. Reason number 1, hormonal imbalances. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, hormonal imbalances. Many of you, especially career-driven moms, are silently fighting battles with conditions like PCOS, high cortisol levels, and thyroid disorders. It's like being in a boxing ring blindfolded. These hormonal heavyweights can significantly slow down your metabolism, making it challenging to lose weight, despite your best efforts on keto. A study highlighted in the Endocrine Journal reveals the critical impact of thyroid function on metabolism. Even slight imbalances can slow metabolic rates to a crawl, dramatically affecting how your body uses and stores energy. This slowdown isn't just a reflection of your dietary discipline or commitment. It's a biological response deeply rooted in your hormonal health. But it's not just about identifying the problem. It's about finding a solution. First steps involve recognizing the signs of hormonal imbalances, unexplained weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, and then taking action. Knowledge is power, and understanding your hormonal landscape is the first step towards customizing your keto journey for success. Remember, the goal of keto is not just about reducing carbohydrate intake. It's about creating a healthier body and lifestyle. Success on this diet isn't measured solely by the scale, but by a holistic improvement in your well-being. For working moms, overcoming hormonal imbalances is a critical piece of the puzzle, transforming keto from just another diet into a sustainable lifestyle. Reason number 2, stress and cortisol levels. Let's tackle a silent adversary in your weight loss journey, one that is pervasive as the air we breathe, but yet detrimental to your keto effects as consuming a hidden sugar bomb. Yeah, I'm talking about stress and its biochemical shadow, cortisol. Picture cortisol not just as a friend who wreaks havoc despite good intentions, but as a secret agent working against your mission to shed pounds. In the relentless rhythm of modern life, stress has become a staple, as omnipresent as our morning cup of coffee. Yet its profound impact on our weight remains underappreciated by many embarking on a keto diet. The science is clear and somewhat unsettling. Researchers at the University of New Mexico have unveiled a direct link between elevated cortisol levels and an increase in abdominal fat. This isn't just about aesthetics or fitting into those jeans lurking in the back of your closet. It's a health concern. Abdominal fat is notoriously linked to a plethora of health issues, making its reduction not just a matter of looking good, but of feeling and being healthy. Why does cortisol have such a significant impact on where our body stores fat? Cortisol is essentially your body's built-in alarm system, a part of your flight or fight response. It's designed to be your biochemical knight in shining armor, ready to protect you. Yet, when this knight starts swinging its sword at every minor stressor, from traffic jams to tight deadlines at work, it becomes less of a protector and more of a provocateur, particularly in the realm of weight management. Under constant stress, elevated cortisol levels lead to a surge of appetite. It's as if your body is preparing for a siege, stocking up on resources, in this case fat, wherever it can. This process is a throwback to our ancestral days, where stress usually meant physical danger that required energy to combat. But in today's world, the stress is more psychological than physical, and the extra energy in the form of stored fat, especially around the midsection, isn't needed. Moreover, cortisol's role in weight gain is a double-edged sword. Not only does it boost appetite, but it also signals your body to store fat more efficiently. Yay! Think of it as your body's misguided way of preparing for tougher times, creating a reserve of energy in the form of fat. This biological response might have been beneficial to our ancestors facing real threats of famine, but in our current reality, it only compounds the challenge of losing weight. So if you're meticulously counting carbs and fats, ensuring that you're in a ketogenic state, yet the scale remains stubbornly uncooperative, it's time to consider whether stress and its biochemical companion cortisol are to blame. This revelation isn't intended to add more stress, but to empower you with knowledge. Understanding that stress management is not just a fluffy concept, but a critical part of your weight loss strategy can be a game changer. Reason number 3, inadequate protein intake. Let's move on to protein, or the lack thereof, which is a common stumbling block for many keto enthusiasts. It's essential for maintaining muscle mass, and muscle mass is crucial for keeping your metabolism fiery and fast. Skimping on protein can lead to muscle loss, which in turn can slow down your metabolism, akin to driving with a handbrake on. Protein isn't just another item on your dietary checklist. It's the very cornerstone of maintaining muscle mass, the powerhouse behind a roaring metabolic engine. Imagine for a moment your metabolism as a blazing furnace. This furnace needs logs to keep the fire burning brightly. And in the realm of your body, protein is that vital fuel. When you cut back too much on this crucial nutrient, the fire dwindles, leading to muscle loss. Muscle isn't just aesthetic. It's the driving force behind a speedy metabolism. Lose muscle, and your metabolic rate shifts down a gear, as if you're trying to accelerate with a handbrake up. Suddenly, the weight loss you're striving for becomes a frustrating battle against your own body's slowed mechanisms. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition lays down the facts clearly in this arena, showcasing through rigorous studies the indispensable role of protein in weight management. Their research illuminates how a diet sufficiently rich in protein can turbocharge your metabolism, propelling fat loss forward. It's not merely about cutting carbs and upping fats. The balance of adequate protein is the clear linchpin in steering clear of the weight gain dilemma. But here's the kicker. Many keto aficionados, in their zeal to minimize carbs, inadvertently sideline protein. This oversight is akin to a carpenter trying to build a house without nails. Sure, you can try, but the structural integrity is compromised. The body's requirement for protein doesn't pause on keto. If anything, it becomes more crucial. Muscle mass, often a casualty of weight loss, can be preserved through judicious protein intake, ensuring your metabolic rate doesn't just remain steady but thrives. In essence, protein is your ally in the quest for fat loss. It's the silent hero working behind the scenes to preserve muscle mass, keep your metabolism humming, and support your body's fat-burning capabilities. By giving protein the prominence it deserves in your keto diet, you're not just setting the stage for effective weight loss. You're embracing a holistic approach to health that recognizes the intrinsic value of nourishment over mere numbers on the scale. Reason number 4, hidden carbs and too many keto junk foods. The allure of keto junk foods. They seem like a dream come true, but can quickly become a weight loss nightmare. These foods often contain hidden carbs that can knock you out of ketosis without you even realizing it. Packaged as the perfect solution for the low-carb lifestyle, they promise indulgence without consequences. Yet in reality, they often harbor hidden carbs that can derail your diet faster than you can say ketosis. The allure of these keto-labeled snacks is undeniable. They seem like life rafts in the sea of dietary restrictions, offering a taste of normalcy and convenience. However, the truth is that many of these products are more akin to mirages. Beneath their tempting exteriors and clever marketing lies a potential threat to your weight loss journey. Hidden sugars and starches can stealthily sneak into your diet, pushing your carb intake over the edge and interrupting the delicate balance of ketosis that your body worked hard to achieve. A study in the Journal of Nutrition sheds light on this predicament, illustrating how easily these hidden carbs can accumulate, subtly sabotaging your efforts to shed pounds. It underscores a crucial lesson for anyone navigating the keto path: the importance of vigilance. Reading labels becomes an essential skill, turning each grocery trip into a detective mission where ingredient lists are clues to uncover the truth behind that packaging. But the solution isn't just about avoiding these keto imposters. It's about embracing whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think of your plate as a canvas and whole foods as a palette, which you paint a masterpiece of health. Vegetables, proteins, healthy fats, these are the true heroes of the keto diet, offering not just minimal carbs, but a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients crucial for optimal health. Transitioning from processed keto snacks to whole foods might feel like a leap, but it's a leap worth taking. Instead of reaching for a bag of keto cookies, consider snacking on a handful of nuts or a slice of avocado. These whole foods provide sustained energy, satiety, and more importantly, peace of mind, knowing precisely what you're putting into your body. Reason number 5, metabolic adaptation. Let's discuss metabolic adaptation. Your body is smart. When you cut calories, it adapts by slowing down the metabolism to conserve energy. So initially, you might see rapid weight loss on keto, but over time, as your body adapts, weight loss can stall or reverse. Picture this. Your body operates like a highly intelligent machine, continuously adjusting and recalibrating itself to ensure survival. When you slash calories and attempt to lose weight, this ingenious machine kicks into energy conservation mode. So what does this mean for you? Well, initially, you might celebrate the quick wins on the scale. But as time marches on, your body's adaptation mechanisms can bring your progress to a screeching halt. This metabolic adaptation is akin to your body tightening its belt during lean times. It's a primal survival strategy that's deeply embedded in our biology. The International Journal of Obesity highlights this adaptation, underscoring how our bodies become more efficient at utilizing energy in response to reduced calorie intake. This efficiency, while marvelously adaptive from a survival standpoint, means that over time, your body requires fewer calories to maintain its current weight, complicating further weight loss efforts. What's fascinating is that this isn't simply a turn off on switch. It's a gradual process where the body's metabolism, its engine for burning calories, downshifts to conserve fuel. You find yourself in a paradox where your body becomes more fuel efficient, but at a cost of making weight loss increasingly difficult. So what's the solution? The answer lies in not shocking your system with drastic calorie restrictions, but embracing a more moderate, sustainable approach. It's about feeding your body enough to keep the metabolic fires burning without overfilling the tank. This strategy involves not just watching calorie quantity, but also focusing on the quality of your diet. Nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the necessary fuel to maintain a healthy metabolism. So I want to know, have any of these hidden reasons resonated with your keto experience? Perhaps you've noticed the sneaky effects of stress or the pitfall of not getting enough protein. Share your journey in the comments below. Your story could be the insight that someone else needs. If you're nodding along thinking, this is me, it's time for a tailored solution. Book a call and let's dive into what's going on with you to see if I can help. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, maybe you're ready to move on from keto, but you're afraid that if you quit cold turkey, you'll gain all the weight back. That's what I'll be covering in the next video. I'll see you there.